Hey everyone, if Penpot is showing an import failed error or refusing to upload your files, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help you import your designs successfully. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Interruptions during the upload process can cause import failures. Next, make sure the file format is supported by Penpot. Yeah, unsupported or corrupted files may not import correctly. If the file is very large, try reducing its size before importing it. Oversized files can sometimes trigger upload errors. Sometimes the problem is temporary, so close the import window and try uploading the file again. Another quick fix is refreshing Penpot and reopening your workspace. This clears temporary glitches affecting the import process. If you're using Penpot in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Yeah, corrupted browser data can interfere with file uploads. Some browser extensions may block uploads. Temporarily disabling them can help determine if that's causing the issue. Make sure your browser is fully updated. So, outdated versions can create compatibility problems during imports. Sometimes import errors happen because of server issues. If Penpot is experiencing maintenance or outages, you may need to wait until the service is restored. If nothing works, contact Penpot support for additional assistance. They can investigate file-specific issues and provide further help. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot import failed errors and allow you to upload your files successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.